Zoominfo tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Zoominfo, how you can get started with Zoominfo to get the B2B data and software you need to connect with and close your most valuable buyers. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to zoominfo.com and you will land on this platform right here. Using Zoominfo, we can simply grow our business, and it has all the right features and tools for us in order to get more engagement and to actually work on our business online. It has all the different tools that will actually help us create our own pipelines. We can add integrations, we can add website chat and more. So to get started with Zoominfo, you can simply go ahead and log in if you have already signed up, or you can simply get a free trial for different pricing plans available. So to get started, what you have to do is you simply enter your full name, then you have to enter your business email. Make sure that you have a business email, then simply enter your phone number and job title. Whatever job you do, you will simply enter right here. Now, click on submit and your profile will be submitted on Zoominfo. And this way you will be able to get your own dashboard. Before we get into the different features and tools of Zoominfo, let me go ahead and show you the pricing plan. When it comes to the pricing plans, we have 3 plans available on Zoominfo. We have Sales OS, then we have Marketing OS and Talent OS. So if you're going to be using Zoominfo for sales, where you own your own market and you want to activate email addresses, create companies, get insights, and add your engagement apps and integrations, then you can simply go ahead and view the pricing for this one. Next, so in each OS, you will get 3 plans: a professional plan, advanced, and elite. In professional plan, you will be getting comprehensive professional and company profiles. Then we have our own direct dial business and mobile phone number. So this is for Sales OS. Then in professional, we have locations, social media profile links, we have purchasing intent signals and website visitor data and more options. So to get the pricing, you simply, sign into your account and you get customized pricing according to your team members. Similarly, if you want to check the pricing for Marketing OS, you will simply click on View Pricing, and you will get all of the different pricing plans for your Marketing OS. You will of course need to sign in to your Zoominfo. So once you have selected the right plan, then you can simply go ahead and get your own dashboard. Now, let's go ahead and check different OS one by one. Up first, we have Sales OS. In our Sales OS, we will be able to identify and reach our next best customer using data-driven insights and buying signals. We simply get our own contact and company data option, where you can add different companies, add B2B contact database, and more. We also get our own contact tracking. We have our website visitor tracking too. You will be able to create a content and then add their email address. You will be able to add different jobs, add activities, meetings, and information about a contact. We can also create email marketing campaigns for a particular company using the Sales OS. Similarly, we get workflows, lead enrichment, and all integrations option. When it comes to lead enrichment, then you will be able to capture, append, and standardize high-quality data on your most valuable new exciting record. In integrations, we can simply integrate any of the marketing or sales platform, such as Salesforce, HubSpot, Slack, and more. Similarly, you can go to the Marketing OS, and in Marketing OS, we will be able to create different email marketing campaigns. We will be able to create our own contact and then create and build campaigns. We can also integrate different platforms in order to customize our Zoominfo experience. These marketing campaigns help us target high-quality value accountants. We can simply go ahead and trigger marketing campaigns with industry-leading buyer intent signals, hooks, and technographic data. It is very easy to create and it has its own drag and drop editor. Then we get the chatbot option that allows us to engage and nurture and convert more website visitors. Then we have form optimization and visitor tracking option as well. So it's an all-in-one platform with all of the different features and tools. Then we have Talent OS and Operations OS. Let me show you around the Operation OS. So with Operation OS, we can simply go ahead and collect the data for our business. It will help us get all the insights to our data, and it is known as Operation OS. In here, we will be able to find the options of foundational data, comprehensive company data, contact intent, and more. We can simply go ahead and integrate comprehensive B2B data into any system or workflow. And we can also add the format of our choice. It also gives us the automation option that allows us to automate our work and save our time. Again, we can integrate different platforms such as HubSpot, Snowflake, and Salesforce to our Operation OS as well. If we talk about the features right here, then we will be getting data management and data services. With all of these different platforms, such as Sales OS, Marketing OS, Talent OS, and Operation OS, we get different options as well. And if we talk about the engagement option, we get digital advertising as well. And in here, we will be able to create our own ads and display different ads on our websites and our business platforms. This way, we will be able to engage more customers and it will help us grow our business. Similarly, we can also go for predictive modeling. So this is one of the features that makes Zoominfo stand out because it gives you your potential customers and predicts the right customers for you. You can simply go ahead and keep your ideal customer profile up to date. Zoominfo makes it easy for you to manually create your ICP in the platform. And there are AI-generated ICP that allow you to create everything just in seconds. So this way you can simply go ahead and manage your business very easily using Zoominfo. It helps you save time with all of the automation tools and you will be able to grow your business better. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you. I wanted to give you an overview about Zoominfo, what are the different features and tools we get, and I hope you know everything you need to know in order to make an informed decision.
So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below what was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.
Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.